Hey, what's up guys, it's TJ here, and today we're going to talk about the Insta360 One X2. This is something that I picked up because I thought it would be pretty cool to have a camera that was a 360 camera and also an action camera and also waterproof as well. So here we go, let's unbox it. What I liked about this was it was pretty straightforward. Not a lot of things in the box, but a lot of things in the package of the Insta360. It's cool that it has two cameras, it has a mount at the bottom, and also has a screen, which is a touch screen as well. So inside of this box is all our little accessories that comes with it. And there's not a ton of accessories, just a few things that you will need. One is this little case that comes with it, which is actually a lifesaver because of the lenses that are on the outside. They could get pretty scratched up, so I like to keep that inside of the case. Then you have the cable, and then you have a little thing to clean the lenses, and other than that you have the battery that comes out, and inside of that battery is where you actually when you pull that battery out is where you actually put your SD card in, and it takes micro SD cards. And from here I was just playing around a little bit with the touchscreen. It's pretty intuitive, and I have a full review coming up pretty soon. Actually just finished filming that. What I like about this camera is that you can actually, in this screen, is that you can actually look around to see what is in your surroundings and what is it actually capturing at that moment. So it's pretty cool, and I plan to do a couple of more videos and show you what the footage looks like and what you can capture with this camera. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, and I'll try to address those as soon as possible. I'll see you guys in the next video. Leave a comment down below and do what you love more. Peace.